Hello guys. A subscriber sent me a question about shares. How many shares can I buy from my broker? Can I buy 2? Yes, you can buy 1. You can't buy half a share, okay? You can buy 1 share, 2, whatever shares you want, because we have millions of shares in each stock, so you buy whatever you want. Okay? Now, there are shares that are so cheap, less than a cent. Okay? Some brokers, some online brokers, they don't show less than 1 cent. Okay, because they are not professional. It means it's so tiny that a lot of people, they don't care about it. But some people who are doing what we call scalping, it means they are day traders, but they stay only few seconds to 1 minute or 2. They stay just a little bit in the market. So they buy thousands or millions of shares at the same time, but they don't buy 1 cent. They can buy less than 1 cent, depending on the on this kind of small stocks. These small stocks are just very tiny companies. Some maybe they are just online, like what you say. For example, you have a website.com and they have some money to do something. So that's why most of these kind of stocks, they are called OTC. Okay? So over the counter. That means they are not listed in big exchanges, because in a big exchange, that's why I told you, don't go to this kind of markets. For me, I call them the black market. Don't go to these, because they rip you off. They take your money. You don't know what's going on in this kind of things. That's why, even if it's penny stock, go to the exchange or to your broker and find stocks that are 1 cent or 10 cent or 20 or 100. And if you know how to trade them, it's very good for you. Okay, but for me, I don't trade this kind of stocks, because there is too much risk, and I can't allow to myself to lose 10% in one trade. This is stupid. How can I lose? If you lose 10% in one trade, oh, and you say, oh, this is just $100, you lose $10, but you lose 10%. Think about percentage. Instead of losing 1 or 2 or 3%, you lose 10% of your account. Suppose that you have $1,000, $1,000, okay, and you lose 10%. You lose $100. So you lose 10% of your money. If you do this 2, 3, 4, 5 times, you have no money to trade with. Okay? So it's so dangerous. People, especially beginners, they don't understand that they are doing risky trading. And they think because they are cheap, they are not, it's the same as big stocks. No! I am sorry. You are totally wrong. That's why people who are addicted to penny stocks, they can't make it. They can't make it. And they lose. They can win 1 or 2 trades or 3 or 4 or 5. You can win some trades. But when you lose all your profit. So you are neutral. You do nothing. Either you are neutral or you lose money. But to make a profit, it's so hard. Because you are playing with Homer. You are playing with a professional trader who sometimes they are working together. They are like sharks. Suppose that you are in the sea and you fall down from a boat, and we have 10 sharks. So the chance that you succeed to escape those 10 sharks and you are in the water, let's say it's 1% or 0%. Okay? So you will be eaten live. That's why I always in my channel, ask people, stay away. If you don't have money, even if you don't have money, $1,000, go and find some stocks that are 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Try just to go beyond this and check stocks that they go very, very slow, like 1%, 2%, 3%. Don't go to the stocks that go 20% up, 30% up, and the next morning they can go 90% down and you lose all your money. Those are so risky trades. Okay, I get carried out about this. Now, there are some stocks that are so cheap, you can buy hundreds. They are less than 1 cent. Okay? And there are some stocks, if you sell your house, you can't buy 1 share. Okay? There are some stocks that are too expensive. Okay? 150,000, 250,000, $400,000. Okay? They are so expensive. Why they are expensive? Because the people who bought the shares, they don't sell. Okay? They don't sell at all. And there is little activity in this kind of stocks. So people, they discover this when they are, the stock when they are very, very cheap. For example, they were, at that time, they were 1,000. After 10 years, they became 70,000. And after another 10 years, they become 200,000. These stocks, they are like most of the time millionaires who buy this kind of stocks. Okay? So the stocks, either you are poor, even if you have $5, you have $10, you can buy stocks. No problem. You go online, you find stocks that are 1 cent or less 1 cent, and you buy them. Is that simple? Yes, it is simple. And you are free to buy wherever you want. Okay? Even a company that has lost everything, it's less than 1 cent, it's nothing, but you can buy it. Okay? But hope you can make money from it. Okay? So this is the answer of how many shares you can buy. Now, if you have any question about this, just ask as usual. Thank you very much.